Imagine looking down at your own feet and seeing the Earth rushing by at Mach 1.6. In an F-35, the plane doesn't have a floor. It doesn't even have a front. For the pilot wearing a $400,000 custom-fitted carbon fiber skull, the jet is invisible. This isn't just a helmet. It's the first time in history we've successfully replaced a human's eyes with 6 infrared cameras. This is the Distributed Aperture System, or DAS. 6 infrared sensors stitched together by a supercomputer to create a 360-degree spherical view. But here's the physics problem: latency. If the image in the visor lags by even a fraction of a second, the pilot's inner ear and eyes will conflict, causing instant, violent motion sickness. The Gen III helmet maintains a latency of less than 40 milliseconds. That is faster than your brain can process a blink. You aren't watching a screen. Your brain is being tricked into thinking the plane doesn't exist. The helmet weighs approximately 5.1 pounds. In normal Earth gravity, that's nothing. But physics is a brutal master. During a 9G maneuver, that helmet effectively weighs 45.9 pounds. Force equals mass times acceleration. If the center of gravity, CG, of the helmet is off by even a millimeter, a 9G turn could snap the pilot's neck. This is why every helmet is laser scanned to the pilot's individual skull. The fit is so precise that if the pilot gets a different haircut, the helmet might not work. How does the jet know exactly where the pilot is looking? It's not optical, it's magnetic. A magnetic field inside the cockpit tracks the helmet's position with sub-millimeter accuracy. This allows the virtual HUD to stay pinned to the horizon or a target, regardless of how the pilot moves their head. It's the ultimate merger of magnetism, optics, and human biology. In the F-35, the pilot isn't in the machine. They are the machine. We've moved beyond tools. We've reached sensory evolution. The slice is getting thinner. Thanks for watching SciSlice.